Hey everyone, it's Cheryl with Designs by Cheryl Elise. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to make an advent calendar for Christmas using some of our new transfers from the holiday suite. I will list them in the comments, so if you are wondering which transfers, just go there to check them out. And I'll also have the link to my store so you can pick them up if you'd like to. So this one is really fun. This board that I'm using is a magnetic board, so it allowed me to put on the magnets and then use the twine and hang the bags that you're going to see in the end. Anyway, I'm going to turn this over to music. Along with the transfers that I'm using, I will also put the name of the base. Hope you enjoy and message me with any questions.